You got a garage?
Well, here's a big question. Does he have roommates? And if so, is it his parents?
Yeah. Yeah. Do you got some roommates? Oh yeah, he say, yeah, 2-car wide. That's Twisted Soul. Twisted Soul, my God, son. Where you stay at again? Oh, I think, don't tell, PA or VA. What is it? I used to get it. Is it Virginia or Pittsburgh? I think he in Pittsburgh. Oh, Pittsburgh is Virginia, right?
Pittsburgh is in Pennsylvania.
Oh, man, I done forgot. Oh, Twisted Soul said, nah, fool, I got a girlfriend and 2 kids. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Yeah, that's what it is. I ain't been all over there, man. I've been to Virginia one time now for one racing event. Sly Jiggy the Hippie. Oh, I got some new followers up there. Hey, new followers, appreciate y'all. The Hippie said my mortgage is $1,000, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, but I got lucky. That is a good number.
Yeah. It's time to smoke.
Let's turn it on. Where are my smokers at in here, man? I got about 5 smokers in here. Twisted Soul. He done twisted his soul.
By smoking?
Yeah. Let's see what this is here. Blueberry banana bread. That's blueberry banana bread. I need blueberry banana bread. Gosh. Blueberry banana bread. Blueberry banana bread. I got some blueberry banana bread. Man, that bitch do it. I'm gonna tell you what it tastes like. You know that yellow, y'all remember the yellow Laffy Taffy? It got some of that yellow Laffy Taffy in it. My wife and 1 kid, 3-bedroom on an acre with 50 by 20 shop, all heated, power, water, with multiple other 10 by 15 shed with power, $1,600 a month. So Jane, you confused me. I thought you was paying all your girl bills and she was staying with you. Now y'all got a shop and acres and shit. How the hell you switch it up? Must be a single wide trailer.
Damn, why would somebody say that?
I don't know.
I mean, I talk a lot of shit, but I try not to get personal.
Bitch, I do pay the bills. My wife stay at home with the kids. Damn, so that's how y'all living over there. 50 by 20 shop. Man, how you get all that for that cheap, man? He said he on an acre with a 50 by 20 shop, heated, power, and water, and multiple other 10 by 15 sheds with power. $1,600 a month.
Maybe you put a lot of money down.
Oh yeah, he probably put a lot of money. He been supervised for a lot of years now.
Or he may have caused like Brian Lawn Car.
Oh yeah.
Settlement. Maybe got hit by a trash truck or something.
Man, I done got hit by a truck. I'ma start calling. Next time somebody hit me in the car, I'm calling one of them big lawyers. I need money now. They be making a scene. I just got my customer $290,000. I'll be there.
Because
damn, I want this.
Stubbed his toe with the cash register.
Yeah, man. I got my client $340,000. I be thinking, hell yeah.
Well, they don't tell you that. They
don't
take
tell you
30
the
or
split,
40%.
right? And
30% if they settle, 40% if they go to trial. And they take their expenses out. So it's, if you go to trial or settle, they count up all their expenses to get to that point and then take it, and then still take their 30 or 40%. So it ends up being more like 50
Here
or
you go,
58%.
Nope. Ooh. Yeah, I got my client $340,000 just for calling my company. I didn't tell you guys I kept $240,000 out of it, though. I left her with $100 and the court costs and fees. If you in Oregon, Bo, I believe you have all that and then some. Why you believe that in Oregon? What, ain't nothing going on in Oregon? Anybody can get some? They just made weed legal in Oregon though, right?
You ever had weed from Oregon?
I ain't had no weed from Oregon, but I heard it was good too.
Yeah, they grow it like trees.
They do. You feel like they grow good like California?
I think they give California a run for their money.
Okay. So you put them in line, Cali, then Oregon. Where you put Vegas at?
I mean, Colorado is tops for me.
I don't like Colorado. I don't put Colorado. Colorado weed be dry.
California has got 47,000 different strains floating around. You
Yeah.
don't ever know what you're gonna get.
They be lying.
Yeah.
They be whatever you. Since everybody figured out OG was good, they just put OG in front of anything.
Yeah.
He said there's a lot of land out there on the outskirts cities, like Brookings and Klamath Falls. I ain't never heard of that. Dude, we have better weed than Cali. Oh shit, here go Bojangles. Just cause he over there, he wanna say his better. Ain't nobody said Oregon weed #1. But I don't know for sure. I ain't had it. Smoke some.
That's a tasty pen there.
Yeah. Yeah, it remind me of banana nut bread with a yellow Laffy Taffy. Heard that thing hitting all. It's your turn. It's legal where I'm at too. I'm in Reno, Nevada.